Hello, this is Nidec Components. As Potentiometers Video Series 4, we are about to introduce Midori Precisions' Hall-IC Potentiometers, which is now part of group company this time around. This is the contents page. First, we will focus on explaining the structure of Hall-IC Potentiometers. Then, we will introduce our product lines and application case studies. Hall-IC products come with three types, such as Rotary type for detecting rotation angles, tilt angle type for detecting the tilt, and linear type for detecting the position on linear. They are used on many control purposes in industrial equipment mainly. Hall-IC integrates a Hall element, an amplifier, and a temperature compensation circuit. A Hall element is an element that uses by the Hall effect to output the voltage in proportion to the magnetic field. The resolution for Hall-IC has the elements which are more than 12 bits. The element and magnet are simply placed close to each other and they has no sliding contact. It doesn't have any output noise regardless of the displacement speed. The output range can be also changed the angle by programming the output voltage setting. Also, the temperature drift value becomes smaller because it is a built-in temperature compensation circuit. Since it is the contactless type without sliding contact, the rotational torque and friction are very low. Also, it is possible to use to displacement of weak force. The operating life is infinite because there is no friction part except the bearing part. Next, we are introducing some featured products. WR7 UHA series are capable to detect angles up to 360 degrees. And they achieve high accuracy of linearity, plus or minus 0.4% full scale. Also, it is complied with the wall attachment and a dust-proof and water-resistant type of sealed IP67. And they are available to detect various tilt angle positions at outside. Here are some application case studies. WR7 UHA series are available to use for the outdoor cranes, the boom relief angle control for AWPM/EWP, and the slope angles detection for the industrial conveyors because of sealed IP67. CP1HX series achieve approximately 1/3 of the size and 1/6 of the thickness of the wide-angle sensor CP45H series. They allow to be installed in tight spaces since the size is compact. The thickness is just 4.4 mm so that they contribute to saving space. The weight is approximately 5 grams. They are the smallest and lightest product in Midori Precisions line. They are used in a wide range of industries. Here is the application case studies which CP1HX series are used. The size of protrusion at the joint was reduced after used in walking assist suits because the sensor part is thin. And it leads to a lightweight robot and reduces a burden on our body when worn. For robot hands, the amount of protrusion at the joint was significantly reduced. For flow meters, the end user's request of miniaturization was met successfully. Therefore, the product has been highly evaluated in a wide range of industries. Also, even though it is used for detecting the angle of a bus swing door, it is hardly affected by vibration. In addition, it also standards with sealed IP67. Our customers use it with confidence. CP2HX series are the separate type of sensor unit which a sensor section and a shaft section are apart. They are complied to sealed IP67 and they are a slim product, 7 mm thickness. Because there is no mechanical wear, their rotational lifespan have no limit, which they are the greatest future. And we can use them without worrying about the product's lifespan. Here are some application case studies for CP2HX series. For leisure boats and cranes, 7 mm thickness sensor part is evaluated as quite thin. It could be contributed to making the equipment much smaller and having more space. For forklifts, the sensor part is highly evaluated to withstand vibration and shock. And a rotating shaft and a detection part which are completely separated also have good evaluation. For printing machines, CP2HX series have no wear by sliding. Therefore, it doesn't affect by output noise at all. They are in use generally and it has good evaluation too. Introducing CP20H series. They are a compact product which height are 12.5 mm and diameter are 22 mm. It makes your equipment minimize in the end. They are high durable and have a long life, over 100 million cycles. In addition, their features are to generate output noiseless during rotation, very low rotation torques, not to have any time loss during startup. Here are some application case studies for CP20H series. The contact type of potentiometers were originally used for controlling flappers at bicycle parking lots, airport immigration gates and electric wheelchairs. By switching to a non-contact type, it doesn't need an overhaul because it becomes maintenance-free. Therefore, our customers are very satisfied. For roller control of winding machines, it reduces running costs by having fewer maintenance as well. Its long life is also highly evaluated. For motorcycle games, the contactless type is not affected by micro vibrations of the device. So, we received good feedback that it allowed for stable angle detection. At the end, we are introducing CP22H series. They are a contactless multi-turn angle sensor with integrated gearhead. The selection of rotation numbers are 5, 10, 30, or 50 rotation. They are available to use at dusty places and outdoors because of sealed IP67. Here are some application case studies. CP22H series are evaluated to being sealed IP67. They are used for automated guide vehicles, controlling the operation angle of AGVs, pallet position control and steering angle control for forklifts and operation lever angle control for leisure boats. It also had experience for brake control of driving assistance devices. This concludes our introduction to Midori Precisions Hall-IC Potentiometers. Thank you for watching.